Howdy, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to use a steam cleaner to clean cerium oxide from, so this is a polishing compound from a stone. So this is a moss agate, and moss agate is very porous. So some of that cerium oxide had got in there. So I had it in water to kind of keep it from drying out. And I got this steam cleaner from Harbor Freight, so I'm just waiting for it to kind of warm up a little bit. With these steam cleaners, make sure that when you turn it on, if you see any water coming down from here, turn it back off, step back, let it cool down before you take off the nozzle here. Hold on, startled me. Before you take the nozzle off and and start using it, because you don't want to be using it and all of a sudden, that lid just, it explodes because it's not secure. So make sure it's secure. Also, be sure to watch out for any brass barbs, because I actually had one get stuck on my thumb, so it's not fun. So keep an eye out for that. But it's ready. Let's go ahead and get to work. So I don't think I should have to really say this, but this is a steam cleaner. This gets very hot. So be sure to watch the temperature of the stone and watch your finger, because again, this is very hot. So pay attention to the cerium oxide right here. Comes right off. Got our advanced tool here. Keep my fingers from getting too hot. If you're wondering why I'm using this rag right here, it's going to keep the water from splashing everywhere. At least, mostly. Now, again, it's important to watch the temperature on the stone, because you don't want the stone to crack. Because some stones do have the tendency to crack if they get too hot. Especially when you're working with natural cracks and crevices of, fracture points. But moss agate is very, very porous. So, it's beautiful stuff, but it becomes a nightmare to have to clean out all the polishing compound off the piece. Now, I'm not going to get too crazy, because I'm going to be grinding down the back of the stone anyway to thin it out. So I just want the top piece to be clean. I think. I think it's good. Now look at the finished product. That looks way better. So that was today's quick video on how to remove the cerium oxide from a polished stone with a steam cleaner. Hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Rock on.